Once you become infected with whooping cough, it starts off like a common cold, runny nose, red watery eyes, cough, maybe a fever. But then after a week or two, things take a turn. Thick mucus builds up inside the airways. You might find yourself coughing uncontrollably, and it may be worse at night. And it can last for weeks or even months. The worst part? That intense coughing can leave you feeling extreme exhausted. You might even hear a high-pitched whoop when you finally catch your breath. Vomiting, and a red or blue face. If you're a parent, watch out for babies, they might not cough at all. Instead, they could struggle to breathe or even turn blue. People with mild illnesses often don't make the whooping sound. Sometimes, an ongoing hacking cough is the only symptom of whooping cough in teens and adults. Get checked out. Whooping cough is no joke, and it can hit hard.